Hello everyone, let's review Python math in 1 minute. Python can do math just like a calculator. We use operators to perform math operations. For example, we use the plus sign for addition, minus sign for the difference or subtraction, star sign for the production, and slash sign for the division. So Python follows the normal math order, just like Pandas. Let's walk through a simple exercise. First, we add here 5 and 3. So 5 and 3 are being added to each other. Python calculates the result, which is 8, and we are going to print it. Simply we are assigning the result of 5 plus 3 in this variable, and then we are printing it out. Then we are having the subtract 4 from 10, so it gives us 6. 6 is being printed, is being assigned to difference variable, and it is being printed. 6 multiplied by 7 assigned to product, and product is being printed. 20 divided by 5 assigned to this variable, and this variable is being printed, and we see all the output here in the terminal. Thank you for watching.